All right, what's up, Softail Nation? Here is a quick shot. We're going back together, you guys. Check out that new front fender. We still got to get some spacers in there, but it's sitting there, and oh, I love the way that you can see the white wall all the way around. That is sick. The back is put together. We got that pulley painted up. And, yeah, man. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. This thing is going together good. Let me show you. We got over here. We're going to run over here. There's the rear fender. It's all shiny, pretty. There's the tank. Woo! Yeah, look at that reflection. All right, we'll be able to buff that out. And, oh, my gosh. You guys, the bars... All right, I'm going to hand this camera to my son really quick. I'm going to show you guys. Look at the difference in these bars. I'm just going to show you really quick. So I'm going to hold them up. See how much wider the old bars are from the new bars? And see the angle of the handles? Yeah, you guys, this is what it's supposed to be. That's Softail Nation. Woo! Check it out, guys. We're going to keep working on this thing, but we'll be back real quick. And you're going to love it. Hopefully as much as I do. We'll catch you on the next one.